Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I have a Quilty Box. Let's see what's inside it here. Here we go. So let's dig right in. Move the box out of the way. Okay, first off we have our bundles of inspiration. That's pretty. This is October 2020. We have our message from Jake. This tells what's inside the classic Quilty Box, which is what I get. There is also an English paper piecing box that you can get. And our featured artist is Jackie Kunkel. And there's some Q&A here with her. And here is the information for that pattern there. For the Starburst, designed by Jackie. And it's assembling it. Ooh, that's pretty. Star Mandala by Paper Pieces. And we have Equilibrium Table Runner by Jenny Baker of In Color Order. Our subscription spotlight is Nikki Wiedner. Tells a little bit about her. And a sneak peek for next month's featured artist would be Natalie Barnes. So let's dig in and see what we got here. Okay, so we just got a couple items this month. We have some scissors. These are nice. Dollar Quilting Club. 8.5 inch scissors. I don't know about you guys, but I can't have enough scissors. Every time I turn around, where'd the scissors go? So it says these scissors have stainless steel tempered blades, polypropylene ergonomic handles, soft material ring for added grip and comfort during use, and fastening system with carbon steel screw for increased safety. And these retail for $35. No, wait a minute, that's the fabric. The sewing scissors retail for $8. They're called Super Edge 8.5 inch sewing scissors. Here we go. They are cushy. They're, you know, like rubbery, soft. So that's nice. We have a little soap sample of Soak, S-O-A-K. And this retails for $1. I always get it out of camera there. Let's see here. We got, oh, okay, this tells about the soap here. Modern Laundry Care. Oh, I forgot my other light. I think you got enough light to see. We have our thread, which is Egyptian cotton, 50 weight, 200 meters. Wonder Fill Confetti. Color K as in Kite, T as in Tony, 605. And it is a very pretty purple color. That retails for $4.99. We have a square, 4.5 inch square. This is by Jackie Kunkel. It is 4.5 square up ruler, $12. And it's got slits here. I guess so you can mark it or something. Because, you know, when I open these boxes, I don't know everything to tell you right away. So, I don't see anything about that right there. So, there's the 4.5 inch square. And now we have Island Batik Mandala Magic. The best from Bali. So, that retails for $35. Let's see here. Okay, so it's called Island Batik Mandala Magic. Looks like there's about 4 or 5 pieces in here. And it doesn't really say anything about it. Let's see, it says our exclusive in the box magazine bundles of inspiration that you're reading right now. Starburst quilt pattern. It doesn't give a value on that. Okay, there's this one. It's pretty. I like these crazy colors like this and the geometric type designs. Have you ever watched a video on how they make the batiks? It's really interesting. Very, very interesting, matter of fact. I was really surprised on what people go through to make these fabrics. It's very interesting. If you can go find one on YouTube, it's really cool. Let's see. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that was 5 so far. This is number 6. Number 7. Number 8. And number 9. And they're kind of, some of them feel a little bit lighter, or you know, like there's less fabric. I don't know what the size, it doesn't really tell me. This definitely is less here than this one. So that is everything this month. I do love these fabrics though. So we got the fabric, we got the 4.5 inch square, we have scissors, thread, and some laundry soap. And the boxes start at $48 per month. If you do 3 months at a time, they're $46. 6 months at a time is $45. 12 months is $44. And that all includes shipping. So there it is. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. And I'll see you again soon. Bye.